Good morning. Today, we class 3P children are going to present a quiz program related to Himachal Pradesh.
Questions are open to all. First question. Who gave the name Himachal Pradesh? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B. Acharya Divagar Dutt Sharma. Option C. Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer is Acharya Divagar Dutt Sharma. Second question. Who was the first Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh? Option A. Yashwant Singh Parmar. Option B. Pramod Savan. Option C. Chandrababu Naidu. The correct answer is Yashwant Singh Parmar. Third question. Who is known as Pahadi Gandhi? Option A. Shivanand. Option B. Baba Kanshira. Option C. Hiralal. The correct answer is Shivanand. Fifth question. Who wrote the book Prachin Himachal? Option A. L.C. Prati. Option B. L.C. Pandey. Option C. M.N. Joshi. Option A. L.C. Prati is the correct answer.
Fifth question. The famous film actor from Himachal Pradesh who was a part of the Oscar-winning movie Silver Linings Playbook in 2013. Options. A. Amitabh Bachchan. B. Anupam Kher. C. Kishore Kumar. The correct answer is Anupam Kher. Last question. A popular children's author and one of the most defining English writers of the present era from Himachal Pradesh who was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2014 and the Padma Shri in 1999. Options are A. R. K. Narayan. B. Kishwant Singh. C. Ruskin Bond. The correct answer is Ruskin Bond.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Scout claps go.